All right, today we're checking out the Canon R8, but not just the body. I'm talking the full kit version. If you want a simple all-in-one package that gives you full-frame quality without spending a fortune, this setup might just be your sweet spot. With the R8 kit, you get a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, giving you clean, detailed photos and great dynamic range. Whether you're shooting portraits, street, travel, or everyday life, it delivers a nice full-frame look right out of the gate. On top of that, this kit gives you versatility. The included lens covers a useful zoom or prime range, depending on the kit, so you're ready for a variety of shooting situations, wide, normal, or telephoto, without needing to dig through your bag. That means travel, events, content creation, vlogging, or just everyday snaps become easier and more flexible. For creators and video shooters, the R8 brings 4K up to 60 frames per second, clean autofocus tracking, and a compact ergonomic build, perfect for handheld shooting, on-the-go filming, or quick content creation. The kit lens plus full-frame sensor combo makes it ideal for someone upgrading from a smartphone or beginner mirrorless. So, who should get the R8 kit? Beginners, travelers, vloggers, content creators, students, anyone who wants a full-frame, ready-to-go setup that's simple but powerful. Why buy it? Because you get quality, flexibility, and portability all in one. No guesswork, no extra gear needed, just a camera ready to shoot out of the box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more camera gear videos.